Good day. I am Rachel Ayana Naresca, and I am going to discuss to you my self-remediation project about a crystallization problem.
The problem states, a Swenson-Walker crystallizer is to be used to produce magnesium sulfate crystals by cooling saturated solution of magnesium sulfate, which enters at 40 degrees Celsius. The cooling water enters at 18 degrees Celsius and leaves at 25 degrees Celsius. The slurry leaves at 27 degrees Celsius. Calculate the cooling water requirement in kilogram per hour if the overall heat transfer coefficient is 220 watts per meter squared Kelvin, with the heat capacity of feed at 3 kilojoules per kilogram Kelvin. The feed rate for the feed is at 800 kilograms. The givens for the problem are the feed rate of 800 kg per hour, temperature of cooling water entering at 18 degrees Celsius, feed temperature of 40 degrees Celsius, cooling water leaving at 25 degrees Celsius, and the temperature of the liquor or the slurry at 27 degrees Celsius. The overall heat transfer coefficient is at 220 watts per meter squared Kelvin, with the heat capacity for the feed at 3 kilojoules per kilogram Kelvin.
For the solution proper, using Table 2-122 of the Paris Chemical Engineering Handbook, we will get the value of XF using the solubility of magnesium sulfate at 40 degrees Celsius as 45.6. Thus, using this calculation, we would get the value of XF as 0.3132. Then, to get the mass ratio of the crystals, we will get the value of mass ratio as 0.488. Then, to get XL, we use the solubility of magnesium sulfate at 27 degrees Celsius. Thus, the value of XL is 0.2817. Setting up our overall material balance as F equals L plus C, wherein F is equal to 800, the feed rate. Then, for the solute balance, Fxf is equal to Lxl plus Cxc. Substituting the given value and the computed ones, we would get the value of L and C. L will be equal to 678.23 kilograms per hour, and C is equal to 121.77 kilogram per hour. Now, using Table 2-182, also from the Paris Chemical Engineering Handbook, we would get the heat of solution as negative 3.18 kilocalories per mole. Then, using this, we will get LC as 53,982.72 joules per kilogram. Now, using the equation omega multiplied by Cp times T2 minus T1 is equal to FCPF multiplied by TF minus TL. By substituting the values given and the calculated ones, we would get the value of omega as 1288.8 kilogram per hour, which is the cooling water requirement for the system. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned something from my discussion.